Hello you beautiful people, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be running the RLAARLO AM-X12 in the rain, unfortunately, because it's been raining since I received it yesterday morning. The sale ends today, so I've decided to come out in the rain. I don't want to, I'm not feeling too great, but I know there are some of you that are on the fence right now about purchasing it, so I wanted to at least get a little bit of 2S and 3S footage for you so that you can make your decision. I'm beginning to sound like one of those flight attendants that are trying to sell you the upgrade or whatnot. It's not that at all. I get the feeling that there's going to be a lot of people that will feel gutted if the car turns out to be absolutely fantastic and you don't manage to get it for the $100 US off. So have a look at the footage. I don't know if there'll be an outro because I don't know how cold I'm going to be, but the links will be in the description below for those that wish to purchase it. Take care of yourselves. Oh my God, what's going on? Why does somebody not want me to drive this car? That's fast. Look at that. This is still on the 2S battery. Okay, it handles very well, especially considering it's in the wet. Oh, I like it, ladies and gents, I truly do. No transmission issues at all. Oh, love it. Wheelie there. Sorry about the banging noise, ladies and gents. Not a lot I can do about that. They've decided to do work where we test our RC cars. Considering this is absolutely soaking wet, the car is running flawlessly. I like it a lot.